back to my channel. Today I have a video on this look that you see right here. I also tried out some new products and I'll let you know my thoughts, so it's kind of like a first impressions as well. So if you want to learn how to recreate this look and some of my thoughts on the products that I used today, please keep on watching. Alrighty, so today's video I'm gonna be trying some new makeup that I got a few weeks ago. I've been waiting to film this video to try this makeup. I've had it for a long time and yeah, I just wanted to try it on camera so I can let you guys know my first impressions and everything like that. Also, if I sound very nasally is because I'm getting sick. I hate my life. But anyways, yes, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the makeup. I already went ahead and did this eye off of camera because I wasn't sure of what I was going for. So this is what it's gonna be looking like on the other side soon. It's just a smoky eye with a pop of this beautiful shadow in the middle. This is the, let me put the cap back on. This is the J-Cat Prism Metal Chrome Eye Mousse, and it's beautiful as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and do this eye. As you guys know, I always use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyes, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on and then just blend it with my finger. For today's look, we're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here, Chip, and then I'm gonna take Pukey, and that's about all the eyeshadows that we're using today. We're only using 2 eyeshadows today for the look. So to start the eyeshadow, I'm gonna take this Luxie 229 taper blending brush. It looks like this, and I'm just gonna take the eyeshadow on like one side of the brush, and then we're gonna just start applying it right here on the corner first. And also while doing that, we're gonna be blending it into the crease. Alright, once that's kind of blended, I'm gonna do the same thing to the inner corner. Because we're kind of going for a halo eye. Like we're putting the eyeshadow, the reflective eyeshadow in the middle of the eye. So we want the outer corners to be smoky and dark and blended. So then with the shade Pukey, I'm going in with the Morphe 441 and I'm gonna blend out the edges. And then back in with that same dark shade. And then back again with the M441. And then just to blend everything, I'm taking a fluffy brush with no product added just to blend everything out. And then for the start of this show, like I said, this is the Prism Metal Eyeshadow Mousse, whatever it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it on my finger because I tried doing it with a brush, but I feel like with your finger it works a lot better and it applies more product and it picks up more product as well. So I'm gonna put that right in the center. Then since we went ahead and applied that, I'm just taking this same brush we used the brown with just to blend the outer corners, make sure that it doesn't look like a harsh line. And then with the brush, I just went ahead and applied just a little bit more of the product, just to make sure that it's on there. And then again with the same brush, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that the outer corner doesn't look like there's a harsh line there. That is basically it for the eye look. Pretty simple, just 3 eyeshadows, some blending, and good to go. So for eyelashes today, I'm using the Scarlet Eyelashes by AOA. This is what they look like. I don't know if you can tell. So they're kind of like, they're very wispy and they go from short to long, so it gives you kind of like a cat eye effect. So that's why I'm gonna use this eyelashes today. Also, I love these eyelashes. They're literally $8, like just $1, and they're amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply these, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. So eyes are done, eyelashes are good to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the face. So for the face, I did get a new primer as well. I got a new primer and a new foundation. So the primer that I got is this one by Beauty Creations. This is the Poreless Face Primer. I did swatch it and tried out the texture, and it just feels like a basic silicone primer. See if you can tell right there. So it's clear and like it just feels like a regular silicone primer, but we're gonna go ahead and use it today. I'm not usually a fan of primers like this, but since I got it, I did want to try it, see what I think about it. So yeah, we're just dotting that all over the face. It feels really nice. I feel like it's blurring out my pores like it said, and it's smoothing out my face, so that's good. Also, excuse these hairs. Like I said, I'm sick, so I didn't feel like doing my hair, so it's just up on a bun, but the baby hairs are coming out to play today. Okay, so you guys already know I gotta have my looking real cute. Okay, so for today I have a new foundation, like I said, to try. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and pump that on the back of my hand. It does come with a pump, which is really good. So I'm gonna take just a couple pumps, see if that takes care of the rest, all of my face. And I'm just gonna dot it like this. I'm gonna do one side of my face first because I don't know if this dries fast. And I'm gonna take a beauty sponge. So looking at it in the mirror, it literally looks flawless. And it has a matte finish. Feels like it already dried a little bit. It still has a little bit more to go to dry, but it looks very matte. And like I said, it looks flawless. It covered everything. I really like this foundation so far. Alright, so that is what the foundation is looking like. Like I said, on the mirror, it looks flawless. It looks amazing. The coverage is so good. It's not clinging into any of my dry patches. Maybe a little bit right here on the chin. I would definitely, if you do have drier skin, I would definitely recommend using a moisturizing primer or like a dewy primer or whatever, just so that it doesn't accentuate your dry areas. But so far so good. I am loving the way that this is looking. It does claim to last 24 hours. Now, I'm not gonna wear this foundation for 24 hours, but I do want to wear it as long as I can and see how it looks at the end of the day. So I don't have any new concealers or anything else to try new on my face. I do have a setting powder and a highlighter, which I'm gonna show you those, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to use the new products that I have. So I just applied my concealer, and holy crap, my concealer blended amazing on top of that foundation. Like, it just looks so good. And the concealer that I used was the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Custard, and it just looks so good. So to set that concealer, I did get this new powder. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This is by Miss A. Shop Miss A online. I did want to try a new powder. I saw this that they just brought this out, so I was like, hey, let's try that out. I just opened it right now. I haven't opened it since I got it, and I do see, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Okay, yeah, you can tell. So it has like little specks of glitter in it, or shimmer, or I don't know, but I mean, you can see the sticker. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna dump some out in the back of the cap like that, and I'm just gonna take my sponge that I blended out my concealer with and set that. Let me just get rid of the creases real quick. Let's set that in. I'm not gonna bake. I don't like baking. I have dry skin, so it just makes my skin look even drier. So I just go ahead and take my sponge and just pounds the product in. So looking at it up close, I don't Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to tell, but I can tell if I get really close into the mirror. I can see the shimmer. It just looks like I have shimmer fall out under my eyes right now. I don't know how I feel about that shimmer. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like the fact that it has shimmer in it. Like when I set my under eyes, I want it to, you know, look matte and set. I don't want it to have shimmer in it. So I'm not a big fan of this setting powder, TBH. I was gonna set the rest of my face with that powder, but I don't want shimmer all over my face, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my e.l.f. setting powder. I don't like that setting powder. I can see shimmers under my eyes, and nope. I am probably not gonna use that ever again because I do not like it. Like I can't. All I see is shimmer under my eyes. Like it just looks like my eyeshadow fell under my eyes. What is that? I'm gonna move on to bronzing my face. I've been using a new bronzer lately since I'm running out of my butter bronzer. I've been using this little travel size. This is the Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. Looks like that. So for blush, I'm gonna be using this LA Girl Just Blushing. This is in the shade Just Be You. Looks like that, just a very pretty warm blush. Such a pretty shade though. And then for highlight, I've heard really good things about these e.l.f. highlights. These are the shimmer highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Starlight Glow. Looks something like that. This is actually my first time swatching it, so let's swatch it together. Oh, that's pretty. Oh yes, I am excited. That looks like my type of shade. Oh yes, I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And I'm gonna apply it with my sponge because I saw Jaclyn Hill do it and I was curious, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip my sponge in there. Wow. And apply my highlight. Whoa, that's a nice highlight, fam. Love. That's a pretty highlight. And I think the highlight was like what, $5, $3? No, I think it was $6 actually. Yeah, so this was $6. I found it at Walmart. For a while that they only sold these online, which is why I've been this have been out for a while. I've been wanting to get them, but I hate shopping online because you have to wait shipping. So I just wait for things to come to the store and then I buy it there. I found this at Walmart and I believe it was around $6, and as you can see, there's some good highlights, so definitely recommend. So we're actually pretty much done with the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line off of camera real quick just to finish up the look, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. Alrighty, so for my lower lash line, I actually went ahead and used this shade right here in Enchanted. It's just like a dark green, and I just smoked out my lower lash line with that. So that's what the finished eye is looking like. So for lips today, I'm gonna be using also this lipstick that I've never tried, that I bought. I thought it was pretty and I never tried it. This is the LA Girl. This is the LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Smashing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Kind of looks like my 0.0 lipstick, maybe a little bit warmer. That's what that looks like. I like this color. I mean, it reminds me of my 0.0 by ColourPop, just a little bit warmer, but it's really pretty. Has a weird scent to it. I don't know what it is, but it has a really weird scent to it. Alrighty, so this is a little bit drying, and it's really cold here in Texas, so I don't feel like wearing a matte liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna use a gloss. This is also by LA Colors. Literally the writing rubbed off, so I have no idea what shade this is. Wait, let me see. This is the shade Fresh, so it's just LA Color lip glosses. I'm gonna apply that. Alrighty, so now that the lips are done, that's what that's looking like. Hopefully I don't have anything on my teeth. And then just to set my face, I'm gonna be using this Micro Essential Mist Moisture Water by Lala Fox. You can get this at Walmart, and I believe it's about $6, and I am obsessed with it, especially because of the mist. It's literally so refreshing. Like, I could just spray that on my face all day. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, if I did updates throughout the day, you'll see them throughout this video. But if not, just don't forget to check out the description box below. I'll let you know my thoughts on the foundation there. Then that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.